Welcome aboard. Get ready to explore the crash course in ship supply and organizational culture, brought to you in collaboration with the International Association of Ship Suppliers and Services. In this course, we'll explore deep into the maritime industry, focusing on the intricate dynamics of organizational culture. Organizational culture profoundly influences the identity and functioning of all companies and professionals. Ship suppliers as well as those that procure ship supply goods and services. A robust culture fosters teamwork, communication, and a shared mission, optimizing efficiency in the intricate maritime supply chain. Dr. Magdalena Langosch, your instructor, is a highly accomplished professional with a wealth of expertise in the field. She's here to guide you every step of the way.
Upon completion of this seminar, you will achieve the following learning outcomes. Demonstrate a comprehensive understanding of the significance of organizational culture in the maritime industries, including the identification of its distinct elements and norms. Proficiently assess and evaluate cultural dynamics within maritime organizations and ship suppliers, enhancing the ability to navigate and comprehend the intricacies of organizational culture in the sector. Develop skills in formulating effective strategies for fostering positive and collaborative organizational cultures, contributing to a conducive working environment. Understand the pivotal role of leadership and communication in organizational cultural management, acquiring insights into key elements that drive and influence cultural dynamics. And be capable of designing and implementing cultural change initiatives tailored specifically to the operations of ship suppliers, ensuring a strategic and targeted approach to address the unique challenges within the maritime sector. This course comprises 4 sessions in total, each featuring 4 insightful presentations in a transformative journey designed to deepen our understanding of organizational culture within the dynamic landscape of ship supply.
The 4 sessions are: Session 1, Fundamentals of Organizational Structure. Session 2, Cultivating a Positive Organizational Culture for Ship Suppliers. Session 3, Managing and Sustaining Organizational Culture, and Session 4, Implementing Cultural Change in Organizations. Worried about fitting this into your schedule? Fear not. There are no fixed start dates. You can embark on this transformative journey anytime, from anywhere, and adjust the pace to meet your needs. This course is open to anyone interested in specialized shipping topics, regardless of your background or experience. We welcome all knowledge seekers, regardless of educational background or experience. Whether you're new to the industry or you have years of experience, this course offers valuable insights. Complete the course successfully and earn a certification of attendance from the World Maritime Academy and the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association. Why to attend? This intensive seminar offers ship supply professionals a comprehensive understanding of maritime organizational culture, enabling them to direct cultural nuances for improved safety, efficiency, and organizational well-being in maritime operations. This seminar is especially relevant for ship supply and procurement professionals, as it equips them to create a conducive work environment, fostering adaptability to industry trends, boosting employee satisfaction, and ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction through streamlined operations and cohesive teamwork. The best part? Our course offers flexibility with self-paced learning, featuring pre-recorded seminars, knowledge check quizzes, additional resources, accessible course instructors, a dedicated forum for discussion, and reliable course administrators. So, are you ready to explore the world of ship supplying with us? Your journey begins right here. Join us in this enlightening journey. Attending this course isn't just about gaining knowledge. It's about immediately impacting your work and enhancing your professional profile. Enroll today and set sail on a course that'll steer you towards success in the dynamic world of ship supplies. Ready to embark on this journey with us? Register now. Join us as we shape the future of maritime supply together. Your journey starts now.
You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com.